guys, what's up? I just bought a chainsaw. Guess where I bought it from? Bed Bath & Beyond. They really want to emphasize that beyond, right? So here we go. We got it. We're gonna open it up and see how crappy this actually is. So once we open this up, we are going to test it up against two saws. This is the Temu saw, the chainsaw, which we got for $68. And also we're going to test it up the Amazon saw from Pinkway, which was $113. So guess how much this one is? It's our most expensive piece of crap saw, $122. So let's see how crappy it runs, or how good it runs. We'll go with that. It was expensive, so it better run a little bit better than those two. Okay, so we just threw everything in the bed of the truck, and now we're heading back to the pipeline to do some testing. So let's open it up. Oh, okay. Now I understand the shape of the box. Because it's another box. Look at it. So we have the Sup Mix. $62.50 or $6,250 or $6,250. However you want to say it. The Sup Mix. I feel like there should be like a DJ playing during this unboxing. Guys, I'm not sure about this. We'll see what this actually is, but the box is interesting. They really taped this thing down too. Come on. Let's open it up. Oh, this looks cheap. All right, we got the case. Sup Mix. Wiggle, wiggle, fresh. 20-inch bar. Little gas container. These are so cute. If I had a kid, I would maybe give this to my kid. If I don't have kids. Here's the case. Not the case. Here's the cover. Oh, there we go. There's that. These are all the tools. Looks like all the same tools from the last other saws that we got from Temu. Did it come with a spark plug? Did I just throw? Okay, this is new. This came with an extra spark plug. $122. And you get a plus spark plug. But why? Well, I guess we're gonna find out. Got these cute little baby dogs. I thought this was a straw, but it's not. It's a file, a round file. Okay, gives you the saw in a bag. There's also a chain and stuff with a manual thing in there. And this is a 325 saw. So just like all the other cheap, crappy chainsaws that we have purchased. Look at this orange. I think they're doing some copying here. This orange looks familiar. This is kind of cool. Little orange there. Oh, guys. Look at this. Look at the handle. Look what it says. Start. I don't know, guys. That feels like it sticks. What is that? It's already broken. I'm missing my button for my throttle lock. What am I supposed to do? How the heck am I supposed to start it? How am I gonna lock it? There's a random in the sky. So we got 62 cc's. We're gonna find out if that's really true or not. The handle is different. It doesn't have like much like grippy grips like the Temu or the chainsaw. So we got an external clutch, and I think it's gonna be really stupid how to tighten the bar. Yeah, it is. I hate this. I hate this. This is not ideal. Come on, China. Get with the program. Put it over here. for us. Look at that. There's plenty of room to put it right there. How the heck do you open this up? Do I need to read this to figure out how to open that up? It shouldn't be that hard. It's just a cat. Nope, I don't think I can open that. Finally! The sun's already down. Where's those bullets? I already lost them. Okay, they're right here. Alright. They don't give you a lot of room here to tighten up these bullets either. These bullets. Where's those bullets? Oh my goodness. It's hunting season. My mind's in hunting season. I'm at nuts. Alright, let's fill this up. And I just want to take a second that I appreciate all the little stickers that are on this saw. Fuel tank. It tells you that this is the fuel tank. And it tells you to never put pure gasoline. And they even engraved this one. It says start on both sides. How cute is that? I actually think that's kind of cute. Alright. Cheap. Feels very cheap. So be careful when you're filling this up. And honestly, I don't even know if this is going to hold any liquid or if it's just going to pour right out. So we're gonna test that right now, if it can even hold liquid. What's that? Nothing. There's something rattling in there, but it's not dripping any oil. The little bit that's there, that's from me pouring it in. And I'm also going to put some oil on the bar here. Just a little bit. This is going to help that friction for a new bar and chain. The smell of some clean gas. All right, so now we're gonna see if this thing even starts. So come over here. Okay, so I'm starting my Bed Bath & Beyond saw for the very first time. Let's see if this thing even runs. Oh, it just dirted it. Is there an on and off switch on this thing? Where's this thing? It says stop. I won't even be able to stop this saw. If I start it, how the heck am I gonna stop it? There's literally supposed to be a button or something here missing. And the button for the throttle lock is also missing. Okay, so we found this in the plastic bag. This is for, oh, well, I just lost the spring, so it's not for anything now. So this saw came broken, and so I'm missing my start button here. And I think I can maybe get it on the on switch with this flathead, maybe. But once it's started, I don't know how I'm gonna stop it. But the goal is to get it on. Yeah, so that's off. That's on. It should be on. It should be on. Okay, take two. Okay, we got a burp. It kind of worked. All right, here we go. Did I not let it warm up enough? Nah, it's not that crappy, is it? Let's try it again. Come on. We'll let her go for a second. Guys, I don't even know if this saw is going to stay on long enough for me to do a full cut. Should we try it? All right, we are losing daylight, so we need to do this quick. So we're going to see which one is faster, Temu, the Amazon, or Bed Bath & Beyond. First up is Temu. Amazon. The Pinkway chainsaw. These have not been warmed up, by the way. Got stuck there. Okay, now the moment we all been waiting for. Bed Bath & Beyond. This one was already warmed up. Ah! This one has given me so much trouble to start up. Come on! video is brought to you by PA Great Outdoors Visitors Bureau.